Hello everyone, it is October the 1st and it is 11:38 at night and I'm waiting for my notification to take the clothes out of the washer and put them into the dryer. Now I'm starting this vlog off real late because earlier I just was like sleep all day, lounging around the house, watching TV, watching YouTube, just at home. I straightened up a little bit around the house. I need to put some dishes away. I had an Uber grocery delivery earlier today. I'm getting my bedroom in order, you know, washing the sheets and all that stuff and the pillowcases and stuff like that. So yeah, gotta keep those clean. I don't know, I like to always just wash everything every week. Are you like that? Do you wash your laundry, your clothes every week? Because I do that. Like, I have to wash. Although I do not like doing laundry, it's not my favorite, but I love having clean clothes, a clean smelling house, you know. So yeah, but earlier today, I washed my hair, my natural hair, but I have it tied up right now, okay? Washed my hair really, really good. Deep shampooed it and deep conditioned it. Oh, when your hair is clean, you just feel really, really clean. Your girl just wanted to check in and see how y'all doing, okay? I don't think I'll be doing vlogtober vlogs. I'm gonna just continue vlogging the way that I'm vlogging, because right now your girl just don't have that energy to do vlogtober. I really don't. There's a lot of stuff that I'm not gonna be doing, okay? I need to be filming more shorts, but when that time comes, I'm just not in that place right now. I'm ready to move. You know, I want to move. I want different changes, you know, a different house and stuff like that. And being a content creator, I think it's kind of expensive, you know, because when you want your channel to look a certain way, you go the extra mile. Like, if you normally don't shop at Target, but you see a lot of Target vlogs, right? And you're doing content, maybe one day you'll go to Target, you'll save up some money or something and go shopping and vlog, you know what I mean? So to me, it costs being a content creator. Even when I go to the Dollar Tree, even when I'm running to the store, it costs. And I've said this before, like in my vlog, like, I don't want to be a content creator who's always just going to the store, spending money and buying things. I mean, we can still have fun without spending a lot of money. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with going to Target, spending money, or taking, you know, expensive vacation trips and stuff. There's nothing wrong with that, totally. But right now, your girl's not in that place to be doing all that. And I'm just being honest with you. But being a content creator, you go the extra mile to create that good content that the viewers want to see, because, like people always say, YouTube is not about you. But let me check my phone. Let me see if it should be ready by now. Yep, that's my notification. And so I'm gonna go ahead and go get my clothes out the washer and put them in the dryer, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. So in 9 minutes, it's about to be midnight, and I need to get it together up in here because this house is a complete mess. Let me just be honest with y'all, it's a mess. And I don't even want to show y'all, really. That's why the camera is up high. But it's a mess. It's a mess, so I have a cleaning addiction, so I'm gonna get ready to clean. Come on. Ooh, itchy. Today I felt a little skeptic when the Uber driver was doing my order at the store that I put in, and he sent me like a sub, like, do you want to sub this for that? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, did that. But I knew that the things that I subbed for what I subbed on the order was there at the store. And then I sent him a message. I was like, well, can you sub this for this? He read the message, never replied. Because I know for a fact, like what I wanted out of the store, they had it because it's always there, never fails. Okay? So he didn't respond. And then when he got here to deliver me my order, he was like, oh, that store, they didn't have this, and that's a lie. That's a lie. The thing is, you didn't want to go get the item because you were probably in a hurry. Just keep it honest, but I told him it's okay. But yeah, I was a little like, really? So I'm officially done with laundry. The house is clean. These next door neighbors around here are loud. I didn't film all the loudness, but ooh, these people like to talk loud. It's late at night. It's 1 in the AM. And these neighbors around here in my neighborhood is loud. They do not respect quiet time at night, meaning after 10 p.m. and so forth. Shh, people talk so, oh my Lord. I'm gonna be happy to move when I move. I made a post on my Instagram tonight. It said, it's about time. I give my landlord my 30-day notice, I'm moving, and go put my 2-week notice in at my job. It's about that time. The clock is ticking, but my next move, I'm not moving no more. I'm gonna stay in that state. Okay, I have to be real with myself at this point, cause your girl's tired. It's time for me to get out of this state. It really is. I'm just over it, and it's time to move on. Go somewhere that I like. You know what I mean? Anywho, I'm getting ready to lay down. I'm gonna pick y'all back up tomorrow.